Hey guys, me and Akshay from Starlight have built a quick demo which showcases the local OCR capabilities of vision language models. In this demo, we have used Streamlit as our local server, PyTorch and Hugging Face transformers as our runners for the vision language model, and we are using EmbedAnything and LanceDB to store the embeddings. So the most important part of this is of course EmbedAnything, which allows us to convert our images into embeddings and store them locally. Now let's do a quick demo. Here I shall click on browse files, go to my downloads folder and go to my folder which has all of the handwritten notes that I have stored locally. These are a lot of notes which are easy to parse by general tools, so let's give them a quick go here. Now I'll open one of these files here and I'll send it to processing. After processing for a couple of seconds, we quickly get an output here. We can see that even though the output here isn't the best, it still allows us to quickly search over a lot of the files that we might have stored locally. So to extend this demo and to showcase that search functionality as well, let's quickly index a bunch of other files. So this is another file that I want to index locally via OCR. So when we process this file, it then extracts the text from that file and then stores it to the database as well. So now this has something relating to a doctor and the last one had something relating to a lord, I think. So let's search for lord first. Now when I hit search, what this is doing is that it's running an embedding search against all of the files that we had stored locally and returning the results based on what we have. So in this case, it's something like Langrad, I guess, or Davis Notter. So let's say if I search for singing, then the first result is about the singing where it says it sang up. And if I search for doctor or medicine, the first result is that of the doctor here. So that's how this tool, which uses local vision language models, allows you to quickly index and search for any images that you might have stored locally. Do give it a try. It's completely open source and free on GitHub, and we are also planning to upload this on Hugging Face code spaces too. So do have a look at the GitHub URL to see if it's uploaded there. Thanks and have a good day.